Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to make a review on this serum. So this is Makari Blue Crystal Regenerating Serum, Ultimate Intense Serum with glutathione and vitamin C. I've tried this serum. I'm currently using it, and it's really nice. And if you want a serum, you can check it out. The serum is really good. Apply on freshly cleaned and toned skin. Drop a small amount onto entire face and neck 2 times daily. Allow to dry and then follow with skin type appropriate moisturizer. Like this serum, you can buy their sets. You can buy the set, like the whole set, and I made a previous video. You can check it out. You can buy this whole set if you want to use their lotion, but if you don't want the lotion, you can leave the lotion. So this serum, and then this is their face moisturizer. If you want to buy the whole set, you can buy, but if you don't want, you can go for the serum alone. That's why I want to make this separate video. So just in case, if you're wondering, can you use only the serum and be using all the other cream that you are using? Yes, it's possible, and they wrote it here. So they said apply, when washed your face and all that, after applying it, and then follow with appropriate moisturizer, which means you can use it with the product you're using. So I've actually, it feels so good. I've tried it. It feels so good. Like, it doesn't one thing I like about it, it doesn't leave any residue on your skin. You see how it blends. You see, let me come closer. You see, you can't really see anything on my skin. You see how it goes in very well. It penetrates deeply. You can't see anything. I really like this serum. So if you want to buy a serum and you're not sure, this one is from Makari. If you are familiar with Makari, you know that Makari is a nice brand that deals with skincare, and they are very good. So you just need to go for the one that works for your skin. This serum, I've tried it and I'm loving it, and yeah, that's why I want to make a separate review on it. You can use it alone and it works wonders. So yeah, so if you want to go ahead and try it, please check it out. You can see how it blends into the skin, like very well. You don't even need to wait like a minute or two. Like, it's so good. And you can use it morning and night. It's really good. I use it, I don't use it like morning and night, like religiously, but mostly I use it at night, and it works wonders because it's not a cheap product anyways. So yeah, so guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you like it, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys.